Welcome everyone. My name is Prof. I'm a third year cybersecurity student at RIT Dubai. Today I'm going to talk to you about AI and the academic sector, how AI could be used for us to be more productive and more efficient when it comes to our time and productivity. So, what is AI in general? AI is basically a machine that is trained with our data. All these years of us using the digital world, we have been giving data and data and data. The way we use stuff, the way we use and what we use, all of this is data. And of course, this is other than it's a big topic when it comes to data. Like anything you do on the internet can be considered some type of data. Whatever input you give, the way you move the mouse, all of this is data. So AI is basically all of this data trained in a specific way with mathematical equations or specific methods. And of course, when we say it's trained to do specific stuff. And one of these stuff is different sectors. So today we will talk about specific methods, how this AI was trained, or tools that were created in the academic sector, how these tools can help us manage our time, manage our studies, and more. Okay, so let's explore some of these tools. Let's start with the first one.
Hey everyone, I just wanted to record this very short.
This is Knot, your personalized study companion. It can help you create flashcards from videos you watch or the notes you take, and even many more than just flashcards. These flashcards, actually, based on my experience, I've been using flashcards throughout all my 3 years in the university, and it's the best thing that you can use to memorize flashcards in general, like not just Knot, any type of flashcards you could use. So we can watch this quick video on how an example of this AI tool is used.
Video on how to get automatically created flashcards from any of your notes, as long as they're not math related. All you have to do is add your note to the app. You can either import, add a new note, but once you do have it in, you just have to open up the note. You can see that on the left you have your note, and on the right you'll see this UI that shows you, hey, we'll make flashcards for you. Now, we'll make these flashcards automatically from the terms that we identify in your note, and all you have to do is press that button, and voila, you got flashcards created instantly from any of your notes, and all you have to do to edit them is just click this button here. You get to go to this flashcards page where you can not only edit them, but you can also review the flashcards, and obviously if you scroll down, you can edit them here. And you can even add more terms. So this is a great feature for anyone looking to get started with getting flashcards automatically made from any of their notes. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hey everyone.
See, this is how simple it is. Imagine if you want to create your notes, like I'm telling you, maybe you guys are still in your first year. It takes hours, maybe sometimes days, just to create the flashcards. Like for me, for example, my biology class, it took me like 3 days just to prepare all the flashcards and just 3 hours to memorize them. Imagine if you spend 2 days memorizing and 3 hours creating and preparing, even less, like we're talking about 20, 30 minutes. That's if you spend a lot of time like structuring your notes or the video transcript or whatever you want to use this AI with. Okay, now we have been talking about adding the notes to this AI tool to create the flashcards. But what about creating these notes? Let's check out the next tool, Notion AI.
Today, we're introducing Notion AI, which brings the power of artificial intelligence directly into your Notion workspace. Let's say we're writing a blog post to introduce Notion AI. It's as simple as asking AI Assist for help and clicking Generate Post. Next, just sit back and watch as artificial intelligence completes your first draft. Notion AI is also super talented at helping you brainstorm whenever you get stuck. In this case, let's brainstorm ideas for promoting our new feature. Looks great. Notion AI likes to think big, but it's also good at smaller things, like fixing spelling and grammar. Perfect. Need help with translation? Watch Notion AI translate in real time. Magic. The truth is, sometimes we all just get stuck. And in those cases, Notion AI can help you write. Just ask it. Okay, a little bit bold, but we'll take it.
See, imagine you're doing in the lecture, okay? The professor's like fast, you can't keep up with him. Just write few words related to the topic and just come back to Notion AI and he'll generate the whole thing. These two alone are like one of the best tools I've been using throughout my university. Now, we have talked about creating notes and flashcards, but what if you want to be tested? What if you want to test yourself? Maybe, did you really memorize this? Is a question, but what's the other part of it? Did I really understand this? With the questions, you can test yourself. So now we have Shiken AI, where you can create quizzes for you to test yourself, or even for a professor to test his students. So who knows, maybe someone is using this tool to get and create the questions for you. Let's have a quick look. See, I'm telling you, the usage of AI and whatever sector you're going to go to is in the future it's going to be a must. Like now we're talking about the academic field as students. Imagine how much time you could spend instead of continuing and writing your notes, trying to test yourself with made up questions that would never come in the exam actually. Not just in the exam, like wouldn't help you even understand the topic, just random questions you ask yourself, just so you could be like, oh yeah, I understand it. Let me just find some random question and ask myself, oh yeah, I can answer my random question. With AI tools, not just efficiency, productivity, and speed, we're talking about something big. Let's look at the upcoming tool. For the upcoming tool, it's actually, imagine now we have these three tools. With the upcoming tool, it will help you basically schedule your tasks in a perfect manner. Like, let's see. I believe this video is a bit long. Let's just watch the beginning of it.
We're all looking for the simplest yet most powerful productivity system, allowing us to produce superior work while living a more balanced life. Here's why time blocking is the ultimate technique for modern day productivity, and how Trevor AI makes the planning process effortless. My name is George, and I'm the co-founder of Trevor AI. We've dedicated our lives since 2016 to build the simplest, most efficient and effective planning system, helping you to reach your potential. And we believe the essence of this system is time blocking. Time blocking is a productivity technique that...
Yeah, actually, let me tell you about this based on my own experience throughout the university. The university career, like the 3 years that I've spent here. So when it comes to time management, just time management is a huge topic. Just time blocking alone, like okay, you should write down your courses, what tasks, assignment, quizzes you have for each course. Write a date beside it. I used to do this on paper, and then I started doing it on Microsoft Outlook, Google Calendar. But it wasn't really like for projects or like not just projects. Imagine if you have a lot of tasks and you want an AI tool to help you arrange your time and make it automatic. And there are a lot of features within Trevor AI. And I'm telling you, these are not just like, for example, note taking. Notion AI is not the only tool that's used for note taking. Trevor AI is not the only AI tool that's used for scheduling. Of course, not all of them are free. Some are free, some are worth it, you know? So Thank you. Okay. Thank you for your time. Let's conclude. So we have now understood like how AI is actually like used in our sector as students. It's all just tools for us to utilize. So we have seen tools to manage our time, tools to manage our productivity and speed, notes, test ourselves, etc. So there's a huge impact on the academic sector for us as students. Imagine all the time we spend in the university or doing these tasks. Okay, sometimes it actually takes days just to do, or hours of our time to prepare the notes, as you said, correct? Imagine if it's just an hour to prepare the notes. What would we do with the 3 other hours? We could maybe study even harder or study more. We can even study more about AI, create our own tools. So I encourage you guys to go out, check out what tools are there, what categories are there. Of course, you can reach out to me on LinkedIn, email. Here's my WhatsApp or phone number. And thank you for your time, everyone. I'm looking forward to see you all sometime soon. Thank you.